Hello guys, this is Kevin. So I'm gonna show you today which one's the best rechargeable battery and best and a good best price, best quality and best price. So this is the one I found. Actually this is Amazon, made by Amazon, and AA high capacity rechargeable batteries, and I purchased only four battery. So let me open the box. You see, Amazon Basic. So this is the best one I found it. This is the best quality and the best price. So I haven't been using it yet. So I researched it. This is the best one, they said it. So that's why I purchased it. Thank you very much for your watching. I hope this is very helpful to you guys. So I'm gonna link below description. You can buy from there. So I get some commission as well. Thank you very much for your watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.